Hey guys, just in the shop today working on Project Liberty. We've had this Jeep for quite a while, probably around 10 years. And 10 years ago when I bought this Jeep, I put rockers on it. And they have since rotted out again. Lovely Minnesota winter. We put so much chemical on the road, we get a dusting of snow. So everybody's able to drive safely, but it literally completely rots your vehicle. Trenton decided to take this project on. He wanted something to do while we're in social isolation for the coronavirus right now, so we've been hanging out in the shop a lot, putzing on different little projects here and there. And right now we're making some patch panels for the doors, for the bottom of the doors. And we're not going for a restoration here. This thing is going to be our up north beat around rig. If we want to go down a forest road or through the woods or wherever we may want to go with this thing. So we're not going for a restoration here. We're just trying to patch up some holes. So I'm not trying to demonstrate any type of body work here other than we are trying to fill some holes. And then we're going to rhino line the whole bottom edge of the doors and the rockers and stuff here. So the body work is going to be a little crude. We're going to make it look nice, but we're not going for perfect. It would be senseless to go perfect because this fender is all dented up from a deer hit years ago. And like I said, the purpose of this rig is just for beating around up north. So there'd be no reason to spend a lot of time to make the body work perfect. And it's an old rig. It's starting to get a lot of rust underneath too. So we're just trying to patch some things up and do the best we can here. So, but Trenton's been plugging away on this thing. And being we do lots of different projects all the time, we're not just about snowmobiles, hot rods, or anything particular. We're always putzing with something around here, and this happens to be our current project right now is Project Jeep Liberty. I'm going to put just a slight lift in it. I'm going to do a leveling kit. I think they say it's like an inch and a half puck to put in the front, and then it levels the body off on these things. And just going to do just a slightly, maybe an inch or two at the most bigger tire on it. And we're going to just do a nice all-terrain tire, nothing very aggressive, just a good, snow, mud tire, nothing crazy. Like I said, this is just to drive around up at the cabin instead of, using an ATV or my truck or whatever. We can jump in this thing and head to town or, go do some bird hunting or something down some of the forest roads and stuff. So be a nice little rig for that. It's, it's kind of a glorified Polaris Ranger, basically. We got heat, air conditioning, and 4 doors and full drive. I mean, what more would you need to have for an up north rig, So it'd be really cool to find a set of tracks for this thing. I've seen them up on tracks before. God, they look cool as hell. They pretty much go anywhere then. I mean, you can get them through just unbelievable amount of snow. And we do have a nice lot of really big lakes up where we're at, and if we had tracks on here, our opportunity of using this thing would be absolutely endless. Then we could go anywhere all day long out on these big lakes that we have our cabin by. So but I just want to do a short video, guys. This is our current project right now and the times that we're in, and we got to stay inside and do stuff like this. So hope everybody enjoys this video. I know I've been doing a lot of YouTube watching lately and not so much recording, and I decided this morning I'm going to take a few minutes to put together a little video to get out there, because right now the people I'm subscribed to watching their videos, they're trying to do the same thing. They're trying to put up some fresh videos, but not being able to get out anywhere to go do their videoing. So they're trying to go back in their archive videos and put some stuff together to post videos. So I am able to watch something new. So hopefully me putting up something new for you guys to watch is good for you guys then too. So give me a thumbs up if you like the video. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. And we'll be doing some more update videos on this one as we plug along on it. Trenton's getting ready to start spot welding this stuff in, so I'm going to give him a hand getting them panels tacked in, and thanks a lot, guys.